Welcome back to another video. My name is Gordon Frayne, and today we are showing you how to buy ETH on Coinbase. Obviously, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by overall market cap and has been a very popular investment vehicle over the past few years in order for you to gain returns from your investments. So, jumping into the video, we're going to explain to you step by step how to purchase Ethereum on Coinbase. And obviously the first prerequisite is that you are going to need a Coinbase account. So yes, you do need to firstly come over to coinbase.com. If you have an account, you obviously need to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you need to click on the sign up button and create an account for yourself. So if we were to open up a new Coinbase website here, open up the Coinbase website, you're going to need to sign in or click on sign up. If you do not have an account, you need to sign up for an individual or business account in order to get started. You obviously need to use your email address to create that account. You can sign up with Google, so if you have an existing Gmail or Google account, you can simply use that to sign up, and then you will have a new account created on Coinbase. The second thing you need to do is you do and will need to complete the verification process in Coinbase in order to firstly be able to deposit and purchase any assets with Coinbase. They obviously have KYC and AML requirements as a centralized exchange, so you will need to add your identity and do identity verification before you can send funds and deposit and purchase anything within Coinbase. So once you have those prerequisites in place, what you then need to do is add money into your account. So you may already have some funds, some US dollars or some euro or Japanese yen in your Coinbase account. And then you want to obviously log into your dashboard, which looks like this. Then in order to buy Ethereum, what you want to do is go over and click on the buy and sell button. So this brings up this pop-up widget, which allows you to buy, sell, or convert. Of course, our goal here is to buy Ethereum on Coinbase. So what we want to do is select the currency that we want to buy. In this case, we're going to select Ethereum. It's going to show us the spot price of Ethereum as of right now, which is just over 3,073 US dollars. Then we can type in here how much we want to purchase. How much Ethereum do we actually want to buy? So let's say we wanted to purchase 100 euros worth of Ethereum. My account is denoted in euros, but yours will probably be in dollars or whatever your local currency is when you create your Coinbase account. So now we have denoted that we want to purchase 100 euro worth of Ethereum. We've selected Ethereum from here. We know that the spot price of Ethereum is just over $3,073. And then what we need to do is select the wallet that we want to purchase with. So what we can do here is we can purchase with our Euro wallet. Right now, there's no funds available in my Euro wallet, but what you would need to do is send money into your wallet within Coinbase, whether it's Euro or US dollar, in order to do that. So what we can do is click on top up Euro wallet, and then there's a few ways we can do that. We can obviously send a bank transfer in order to transfer funds into our Coinbase wallet. So here it's giving us the reference number and the IBAN number for the recipient account for Coinbase. However, if you're a US customer, you will see the account number and routing number here when you click on top up your US dollar wallet. It will then allow you to send a wire transfer and get those funds into your account. What you can also do is add an additional payment method. So if we come here and click on add a payment method, you do have the option to purchase with a credit or debit card or use PayPal as a third-party intermediary for purchasing or adding funds to your wallet here on Coinbase. So again, you can use a credit or debit card and it'll simply allow you to enter your details. Again, if you have or are using the credit or debit card option, just beware that you probably are going to get a transaction fee on top of the actual exchange rate that you're getting from Coinbase for purchasing your Ethereum. So you will have your credit or debit card transaction fee And typically when you're using credit and debit cards to purchase tokens like Ethereum on centralized exchanges, you do get a bit of a higher transaction fee. So the most cost-effective way to purchase Ethereum with Coinbase would be to send a wire transfer of your funds to your account. It's going to take maybe 24 hours for that to arrive. However, it is more cost effective. But if you are in more of a hurry to purchase Ethereum much more quickly, then using a different payment method like a credit or debit card or PayPal will allow you to purchase Ethereum pretty much instantly with Coinbase, and you can make the purchase directly with your card. So that is a very quick summary of how to buy ETH on Coinbase. Obviously, you need to have your account set up. You need to have your KYC identity verification process already done. Then you're pretty much free and available to purchase as much Ethereum as you want. Using a bank transfer is the most cost-effective method, but using a credit or debit card will allow you to do it in a much more efficient manner. As always, if you enjoy the content and tutorials on this channel, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button on your way out. Please make sure to subscribe as well. We're on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers. We've got tons of different content coming in terms of tutorials, DeFi, price predictions, weekly updates, and much, much more. So hit that bell notification as well to get notified every time we drop a new video. We've got multiple videos every single week. And as always, we will catch you in the next one.